morning, Standard 5. How are you, children? I hope all of you are fine and well. Children, I am your maths teacher. This is Bulbul Sen Gupta of Dr. D. Ram DAV Public School. So, children, today I am going to deal with brain teaser of this unit number 5. Unit number 5, brain teaser. So, in brain teaser, there is question number 1. That is, you have to tick the correct answer. So, question number 1A. The decimal number formed by interchanging the digits in the 10th place and 10th place of 68.49 is. This is the decimal number. Question is, you have to form the decimal number by interchanging the digits in the 10th place and the 10th place. Right? So here all of you see that what is the 10th place in this number? 68.49. So let us make the place value chart. This is the decimal point. To the left of decimal point, it is a whole number part. So whole number part, this is the whole number part. It starts with ones, then tens. And to the right side of the decimal, it is a decimal number part. So it will start with tens, hundreds. So here question is, you have to interchange the position of the 10th. This is the 10th digit number, 4. And this is the 10th digit number. So you have to interchange the position of the 10th and 10th. It means the 10th digit number, you have to take this number to this 10th digit. It is here. And this 10th digit number, you have to take this number to the 10th digit. So what will be the number? The number will be 48.69. And it is the 4th option. And this is 4th option. So 4th option is 48.69 and it is the correct answer. Now let us go to the next question. Similarly, in this question number 1, you have to find the correct answer. 4 options are there. So among the 4 options, 1 option is the correct answer. You have to choose the correct answer. Now come to question number 2. In question number 2, look at the given number. Look at the given number. So question is, what digit is in 10th place? What digit in its 10th place? So here all of you see that in 287 and 149. So to the left side, that is left side, it is a whole number part. So whole number part starts with which place value? Ones, then tens, then hundreds. So what digit is in tens place? 8. So the answer is 8. Now come to next question. What digit is in 10th place? 10th, it means 110. So here all of you see 10th means it is a decimal number place value. So here decimal part of this number is to the right side of the point, decimal number. So the right side after the decimal number, the first place value is tens, then hundreds, then thousands. So you have to find out what digit is in 10th place. So here you see that 1, it is in the 10th place. And what is the place of 9? Next question is, what is the place of 9? What is the place of 9? The place of 9 is, what is the place? This is the thousandth. The place of 9 is, 9 is thousandth. THOUSANDTH. Okay. Now come to question number 3. In question number 3, you have to write as a decimal number. Decimal number. So here mixed number is given 5, 3 by 10. So firstly formed it into a fraction. This is a mixed number. So how you will do it? 5 into 10 plus 3 by 10. So it is 50 plus 3, 53 by 10. Now divide 53 by 10. Whenever a number is divided by 10, then the decimal will be moved to the, here all of you see, that is 53, and here 10. 10 is having 1 0, so here this will match, write down. Then there is no further 0 is there. For 1, put here point, and then which number is left? 5. So answer is 5.3. So in this way, you can do division also. 53, it is divided by 10. So this is the decimal number division by 10. So in this this portion it is not taught, but I am telling you with the help of multiplication. 10 5s are 50. It is minus 3 is left. When there is a remainder is left and there is no more digit is there in the dividend, then you have to put here decimal, and with the decimal you can insert only 1 0 with the dividend. That is 3030 until you have to continue. We will have to continue, put down the 1 0 instead of this decimal until the remainder is 0. So here it is 30. So 10 3s are 30. So your answer is 5.3. So similarly you will have to form the decimal number. Now in question number 4. In question number 4, write as a fractional number, as a fractions or mixed number. You have to write whom? Decimal number. For example, 0.42. Firstly, this decimal number, we have to frame it into the decimal fraction. So 42, here point. So for 2 it is 0, for 4 it is 0, and this decimal number will be removed and here 1 will be written. Now it is 42 by 100. Now here we see that this 42 by 100, they are not in the lowest term. So let us convert it into lowest term, dividing with their common factor, lowest common prime factor. So I am dividing it with the 2. So here numerator and denominator, I have told you how to convert into lowest term. So after dividing it becomes 21, and after dividing it becomes 50. So here we see that 21 and 50, they are not having the common factor. So this is the answer. Now come to question number 5. You have to write the number name. Number is 15.82. I have taught you how to write the number name. This is recapitulation session. So the whole decimal number, the point it is decimal number is having two parts. To the left of the decimal it is whole number part, and to the right of the decimal it is decimal number part. So this whole number part, we have to write the number name of the whole number part. So it is 15. Then for decimal, right hand. Then this is the decimal number part. Firstly write down this number 8 to 82. 82. And then mention the place of this 2. The last digit, if we go from this side, so whenever we read it, 15.82, so it's 2, the place value of 2 is 100th. So we have to mention the place value of this digit, that is in the extremely right of this decimal. So it is 200. You have to mention the place value of the last one, that is 200th. Right? So you have to do question number 5, you have to write the number name. Now in question number 6, you have to place the number in a place value chart. So you have to place this number in place value chart, like 6.82. So just frame the place value chart. Now this is decimal. To the left of decimal it is a whole number, only 6, one digit. So it belongs to one's place value. To the right of the decimal, the first digit belongs to place 10th, that is 1 by 10 place. Second one is 2 is belong to 100th, it is 1 by 100 place. So in this way you have to show the number in a place value chart. Now come to question number 7. Question number 7 is expanded form. So you have to expand the number. You have learned in the previous class how to write the expanded form. So here question number 7 is expanded form. You have to write in expanded form. So number is 108.003. So how you will write it? Firstly find out the places of these numbers. Right? This is the decimal. To the right of decimal it is a whole number. So what is the place of 8? Ones, then tens, then place of 1 is hundreds. And to the, this is the left of the decimal. To the left of the decimal, this is a whole number. So 8 is in the ones place, 0 is in the tens place, 1 is in the hundreds place. To the right of the decimal, it is tenth, then hundredth, then thousandth. Now you have to write it in the expanded form. So how I will write it? 100. It means 1 times of 100 plus 0 tens. 0 times of tens plus 8 ones. 8 times of ones plus, what is the place of this 0? Tenth. So 0 times of 1 by 10 plus, what is the place value of this 0? 0 100, 0 times of 1 by 100. What is the place value of this 3? Plus 1000. So 3 times of 1000. So this is the expanded form. Another type is how you will write 100 plus 0 tens plus 8 ones plus 3 tenth plus, sorry, not 3 tenth, 0 tenth plus 0 hundredth plus 3000th. So these are the two ways in which you can write the expanded form of the decimal number. Now come to the question number 8. In question number 8, write the fraction. Write the fraction for this decimal number 0.0002. So here firstly for this 0.0002, right, we have to find out the place. Okay, to the left of this decimal it is a whole number, so it is ones place. To the right of decimal is a decimal part. So start with 10th, 100th, 1000th, and it is 10,000th. So how you will write it? Firstly, write down this number 0.0002. We know this place of this 2 is 10,000th. Now for 2, all of you see, all of you look here, 0, right? And then for 0, again 0, for 0, again 0, for this 0, again 0, and for decimal put here 1. Now remove the decimal, right? And then this 0 is not having value, right? So put here 0. Decimal is removed by putting here 1. So what do we see? The digits, the 0 which is to the left side of the digit, then that 0 is not having the value. So just write 2. And then what is the digit? Remove this 0 also. It is not having any value to the left of the, and we also remove this digit. 0 is not having any value to the left side of the digit. So now it becomes 2 by 10,000. This is the fraction. Now this is not in the lowest term. 2 by 10,000 is not in the lowest term. We have to convert this fraction in a lowest term. So we have to divide with the common factor. So the common factor, the lowest common factor of 2 and 10,000 is 2. So let us divide with 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 10,000 divided by 2 is 5,000. So this is the answer. Now come to question number 9. In question number 9, you have to change the decimals into like fraction, like decimals. You have to change the unlike decimals into like decimals. Like decimals are those decimals which have the same places. Okay, and unlike decimals are those decimals which are not having the same places of the decimals. So like decimal, for example, the number is 4.8, 43.659, 0.48, 436.82. So here we see that 4.8, there is a 1 digit in the decimal part. 43.659, 3 digit in the decimal part. 0.48. It has 2 digits in the decimal part. So 436.82, 2 digits in the decimal part. So in the like decimals, all the digits in the decimal parts will be same. So we have to frame these numbers which are not having here 3, here 1, here 2, here 2. So firstly we have to select the decimal number with the maximum decimal number part. The decimal number which is having the maximum decimal number part. So here it is this 43.659, it is having the 3 number in the decimal part. So here also we have to convert all these decimal number into the 3 numbers in the decimal part. So let's start with this 4.8, only one digit is there. So when there is only one digit, we can make it 3 digit by inserting 0 to the right side of this decimal part. Now it is 43.659. It is already having the 3 digits. Now here in 0.48, 2 digits are there. Insert 1 0 to the right of 8. This value will not change, but it becomes the like fraction. It is also having the 3 digit. Now in terms of 436.82. So here in 436.82. So how we will make it that 3 digit in the decimal part? Just insert 0 just to the right side of this 2. So in this way we see that all the decimal numbers have the same decimal number part. It is 3333, and in this way the decimal unlike decimals are converted into like decimals. So in this way you have to do question number 9. So children, so question number 10 and 11 I am not solving it. You have to do it on your own. So your C work is you have to do question number 1 to 6, and H work is you have to do question number 7 to 10. So children, hope I think all these sections are new. This is just a recapitulation of this unit, unit number 5. So you have to do all this question. If you have any kind of problem, you can contact me on my WhatsApp number. So till then, goodbye. Shabba khair.